Hi friends, myself Abhishek and you are watching Mathematics video of Standard 10th. We are going through chapter number 1. Chapter number 1 name is Real Numbers. Main topic of the chapter number 1 Real Numbers is Euclid division algorithm. In this chapter of Euclid division algorithm, we will mainly discuss about the division properties coming in the real numbers. Rational number or the real numbers is being described by the P by Q or in the form of A by B, where A is the dividend and B is the divisor. Suppose we are taking the example of 5 divided by 2. 5 is dividend and 2 is the divisor. Whenever we divide 5 by 2, we will get quotient as the 2 and remainder as the 1. Only one condition is discussed here, that R should be less than B. What is R? R is the remainder. R is the remainder and B is the divisor. So R should be less than B. That is the main condition. Moving forward to the another topic in the theory, that is Euclid division algorithm or long division process. These both the things are mainly used for finding the HCF, highest common factor. Then the topic discussed in the theory is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Fundamental theorem of arithmetic, FTA, also called unique factorization theorem, states that every integer greater than 1 either is prime itself or is the product of a unique combination of prime numbers. In simple terms, what is FTA? FTA is nothing but the multiplication of two numbers other than the prime numbers, or you can say that the numbers which are not prime are coming under the group of composite numbers. Here one example of 1092 is taken. 546 into 2, that is 1092. 182 into 3, that is 546. 91 into 2, that is 182. 13 into 7, that is 91. So the total product of 1092 is 2 into 3 into 2 into 7 into 13, making the group of common numbers, that is 2 and 2. Side by side we are getting the 1092 as the multiplication of 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 13. The final answer is 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 1 into 7 raised to 1 into 13 raised to 1. Thus here we know that 2, 3, 7, 13 all are prime numbers. So prime numbers, we will study what is the main thing or the main purpose or the main property of prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors. A prime number is a natural number which has only two factors. First, the number itself and the 1. For example, a series of prime numbers are given, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37 and so on. So the main thing in prime number we have to understand is there are only two factors of prime numbers. No three factors are possible for the prime numbers. But for the composite number, the property is just opposite to the prime numbers. Here two factors are possible, that is number itself and the 1, but third factor is also possible for the composite number. A composite number is a positive integer that can be found by multiplying two smaller positive integers. This is the definition of the composite number. It says that composite number is the formation of the formed by multiplication of the two positive integers. One of the examples is given here is the number 14, that is made by the multiplication of the two numbers 2 and 7. Some examples of the composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, etc. Now, next topic in the theory is use of fundamental theorem of arithmetic. There are mainly two uses discussed in the book of 10th standard. First use is to find the irrationality of the numbers, that is root 2, root 3, root 5 and many more, which will be discussed further in the chapter. Use 2 is to find the terminating and non-terminating nature of the rational number in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Why Q is not equal to 0? Q is not equal to 0 because if the denominator is 0, then you cannot find the answer of the question given to you. Now, Euclid division lemma, topic number 1.2. One of the story is told to understand this Euclid division lemma. One trader is going to sell the eggs in a market. One idler is breaking his eggs while making him busy in the talk. So the trader goes to the sarpanch and asking for the money. So the sarpanch asks, or the panchayat asks, that how many eggs he was having. He gives the answer in the form of a story that if you count in my basket, there maximum number of eggs possible are 150, and if you count the eggs in the form of pairs, two number of eggs in the pairs of 2, then there will be one more egg, or the one egg will remain extra. If you count the eggs in the number of 3, 2 eggs will remain extra. If you count the number of eggs in the pair of 4, 3 eggs will remain extra. If you count the eggs in the pair of 5, 4 eggs will remain extra. If you count the eggs in the pair of 6, 5 eggs will remain extra. If you count the pair of eggs in 7, 0 eggs will remain extra. Here R is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also B is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in the book 119 is given as the answer. Also U, T, S, W, Q and P are natural numbers. U, T, S, W, Q and P are natural numbers. Total number of eggs with trader were 119. Suppose we solve the equation for 119. Are we getting the answer? Yes, we are getting answer. Suppose we take A is equal to 119. So 259 is 118 plus 1, 119. 119 is given as A. Then 3 into 39 plus 2. 119 as the A. Then 4 into 29 plus 3. 119 as the A. Then 5 into 23 plus 4. 119 as A is equal to 6 into 19 plus 5. 119 as A. Then 7 into 17. 17 7 is 119. So here our basic theory about the Euclid division lemma is over. Now we are moving to the questions. So some examples for solving by Euclid division lemma method. First question is 17,6. Here A is 17 and B is 6. Putting them in general form, we are getting the equation A is equal to BQ plus R. We get 17 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 5. 6 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17. So A is equal to 17, B is equal to 6, Q is equal to 2, R is equal to 5. We are doing by long division method also. So you can see that 6 2 is 12, 17 minus 12, 5. So remainder is 5, 2 is quotient, 17 is dividend and 6 is divisor. Second question is 5, 12. Here A is 5 and B is 12. Where A is less than B, so there is no solution. So solution is possible only for the condition A is greater than B. Moving to the question number 3, 20, 4. 20 is equal to 4 into 5. 5 4 is 20 or 4 5 is 20. So remainder is 0. Some questions for you to solve at home are 10, 3. 10 divided by 3, then 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. So remainder is 1. Quotient is 3. So A is equal to 10, B is equal to 3, Q is equal to 3 and R is equal to 1. Second question is 4, 19. Here A is less than B, so there is no solution possible. Solution is possible only for the condition A is greater than B. The next question is nothing but turned over, or the reverse of 4, 19, that is 19, 4. 4 4 is 16. 19 minus 16, that is 3. A is equal to 19, B is equal to 4, Q is equal to 4 and R is equal to 3. Last question 81, 3. 3 2 is 6. 8 minus 6, that is 2. Taking 1 from here, 3 7 is 21. 21 minus 21 is 0. Therefore remainder is 0. Quotient is 27. Therefore A is equal to 81, B is equal to 3, Q is equal to 27 and R is equal to 0. Thank you friend and have a nice day.